Welcome to MindCraft, where ideas become action and action becomes your future. What if I told you that the stuff you don't buy in your 20s matters way more than what you do? We live in a world screaming at you to buy. Upgrade your phone, lease that car, treat yourself because you deserve it. But here's what nobody tells you. Those purchases are why most people stay broke. There's a reason why someone earning $75,000 can retire a millionaire, while someone making $150,000 ends up broke at 60. It's not about how much you make, it's about what you do with it. The difference: 7 strategic purchases most people completely ignore. These aren't what Instagram tells you to buy, they're not what your friends are flexing, and they're definitely not what credit card companies want you to finance. These 7 purchases separate people who look rich from people who actually become rich. Get these right, and your 30s and 40s will look completely different. So if you're serious about building real wealth without the BS, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. This is the kind of real talk you won't find anywhere else. Let's get into it. Purchase number 1, an emergency fund, not crypto or stocks. First purchase, security. You're buying the ability to make decisions without fear breathing down your neck. Everyone in their 20s wants to skip this. They want crypto. Stocks. Whatever's trending. Emergency funds are boring, they don't grow. But here's the truth. An emergency fund is the foundation keeping your financial house standing. Without it, a flat tire becomes a crisis. A medical bill becomes a catastrophe. An unexpected expense becomes credit card debt. According to Bankrate's 2025 data, 34% of Gen Z has zero emergency savings. 1 in 3 young people are one unlucky moment away from going backwards. Here's what that looks like in real life. A teacher in Chicago got laid off during budget cuts. No emergency fund. Within 3 months, she was $8,000 in credit card debt just covering rent and groceries. It took her 2 years to dig out of that hole. 2 years of interest payments, stress, financial paralysis. All because she didn't have a $3,000 cushion when she needed it. Start with $500 to $1,000. Then build to 3 to 6 months of expenses over time. The shift this creates is priceless. You negotiate better, invest better, sleep better. You're not living in survival mode anymore. Stability before lifestyle. Always. Purchase number 2. Index funds. The boring millionaire maker. Now that you've got stability, let's build wealth with the most boring, guaranteed to work strategy. Index funds. Warren Buffett says it best. Consistently buy an S&P 500 low-cost index fund. Keep buying it through thick and thin. The guy's worth over $100 billion. He knows what he's talking about. Here's the math that changes everything. 2 people graduate college. Investor A contributes $250 a month for 10 years, then stops. That's $30,000 total. Investor B waits 10 years, then contributes $250 a month for 30 years. That's $90,000 total. After 40 years, Investor A has $509,605. Investor B, only $375,074. Investor A invested less, stopped earlier, ended up with $134,000 more. That's not luck. That's time. In 2025, you can contribute up to $7,000 to a Roth IRA, $23,500 to a 401k. Start with whatever you can. You don't need to be smart, you just need to be consistent. Purchase number 3. Skills that scale your income. The purchase that changes everything. Investing in skills that are both rare and valuable. Not just any skills. Skills the marketplace pays a premium for. Skills that give you leverage. Take the story of a graphic designer from Austin. She was earning $60,000 doing freelance work. She invested $3,000 and 6 months learning UI UX design and Figma. Within 2 years, she was pulling $120,000 at a tech company. Same person, different skill set, double the income. The formula is simple. When you become rare, you become necessary. When you become necessary, you become valuable. And when you become valuable, you gain leverage. Money doesn't flow to effort. It flows to value. If anyone can do what you do, you'll always be underpaid. So invest in yourself. Take the course. Learn the skill. It's the highest ROI purchase you'll ever make. Purchase number 4. Quality over logos. The 10-year rule. Buy quality, not logos. Society says luxury brands equal success. Wealthy people care about durability. Here's a stat. 62% of self-made millionaires drive cars over 5 years old. They're not cheap, they're strategic. Think about Sam Walton, founder of Walmart. The guy was worth billions, and he drove a 1979 Ford pickup truck. Not because he couldn't afford better, because he understood that a car is a depreciating asset, not a wealth-building tool. A $200 pair of quality shoes lasting 10 years costs $20 a year. An $80 pair that falls apart every year costs $80 a year, 4 times more. An $8,000 reliable used car you drive for a decade beats a $40,000 luxury lease, draining $600 a month. Quality cookware with lifetime warranties. Furniture that doesn't fall apart. Appliances that actually work. Durability is the real status symbol, not the logo on your shirt. Broke people buy things that make them feel rich. Wealthy people buy things that make them rich over time. Quick pause. Out of the 4 purchases we've covered so far, which one hit you hardest? Drop a comment with just the number. 1 for emergency fund, 2 for index funds, 3 for skills, or 4 for quality over logos. And if you're already seeing money differently, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's still financing their lifestyle. Your support keeps this real talk coming. All right, let's keep going. 3 more purchases that most people completely miss. Purchase number 5, a health savings account. The triple tax cheat code. Here's a purchase 90% of people eligible for completely ignore. A health savings account. And that's a massive mistake, because this is the only account in America that lets you skip taxes 3 times. Let me break it down. You put money in, tax deductible. Your money grows, tax-free. You take it out for medical expenses, tax-free. That's a triple tax advantage no other account offers. Not your 401k, not your Roth IRA, nothing. In 2025, you can contribute up to $4,300 if you're single, or $8,550 for a family. Here's the strategy most people miss. Don't use your HSA like a checking account. Pay your small medical bills out of pocket if you can, and let the HSA grow like an investment account. At 65, you can withdraw it for anything penalty-free, just like a traditional IRA. Why does this matter so much? Because healthcare will be your biggest expense in retirement. Fidelity estimates the average couple needs $315,000 just for out-of-pocket medical costs after they stop working. A 25-year-old who maxes out their HSA for just 10 years and never touches it could have over $150,000 by retirement. That's healthcare covered, tax-free, while everyone else is draining their 401ks to pay medical bills. Most people treat HSAs like a band-aid fund. Wealthy people treat it like a secret retirement weapon. Purchase number 6. Experiences over things, but strategic ones. Everyone says, spend on experiences, not things. But most people get this wrong. Don't blow $5,000 on a music festival. Invest in experiences that compound. Travel that expands your perspective? Worth it. Courses that give you skills and connections? Worth it. Conferences that open doors? Worth it. Buying a luxury vacation just to flex on Instagram? Not worth it. Here's an example. A marketing assistant spent $1,200 attending a digital marketing conference in Vegas. She met someone at a breakout session who mentioned their company was hiring. 3 months later, she had a new job with a $25,000 raise. That conference paid for itself 20 times over. Here's the rule. If it grows you or connects you to opportunities, it's an investment. If it just impresses people, skip it. Your 20s are when you have fewer responsibilities and more energy. Use that, but use it wisely. Purchase number 7. Automation systems, the lazy millionaire secret. The most overlooked purchase. Automation. Willpower fails, motivation fades. But systems run whether you're motivated or not. Automate retirement contributions the day you get paid. Automate investment deposits. Automate bill payments. Automate savings allocations. This removes human choice, the biggest point of failure in any financial plan. When the system runs automatically, there's no decision, no temptation, no, I'll do it next month. There's a couple in Denver who automated $200 a month into an index fund and basically forgot about it for 5 years. When they finally checked during tax season, they had over $15,000 sitting there. They never felt the $200 leaving each month, but they absolutely felt the result. Discipline is overrated, systems are underrated. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Your 20s aren't about what you buy. They're about what you build. And building wealth isn't complicated. It's just 7 decisions most people refuse to make. Security over status, time over trends, skills over stuff, quality over clout, protection over procrastination, growth over gratification, systems over willpower. That's it. That's the list. None of this is flashy. None of it gets Instagram likes. None of it makes you look rich next month. But it makes you actually rich in 10 years. Because here's what most people don't realize until it's too late. Everyone you see living their best life on social media is one missed paycheck away from financial collapse. They're financing a highlight reel while their bank account is on life support. The real flex, waking up on a random Tuesday and realizing you could quit your job tomorrow if you wanted to. That's freedom. That's wealth. That's what these 7 purchases build. So here's my challenge. Pick one purchase from this list. Not all 7, just one, and commit to it this week. Open the emergency fund, set up the auto transfer, enroll in the course, buy the quality item, max out the HSA, book the strategic trip, automate the system. Because the difference between broke and wealthy isn't talent, it isn't luck, it isn't income. It's deciding that financial freedom matters more than looking successful. Your future self is watching. What are you going to buy today that makes them proud tomorrow? If this changed how you think about spending in your 20s, hit that like button. Subscribe for weekly money breakdowns that cut through the noise. And share this with someone who needs to hear it. And tell me, what's the smartest purchase you've made or wish you'd made sooner? This is MindCraft, where ideas become action and action becomes your future.